Hello student, hope you all are fine. Today we learn the Cosmos Social Studies for Primary School Class 2nd. Lesson number 1, Early Humans and Their Life. Today we learn about the early humans and their life. Do you think early men had a car to move around? How do you think they went from place to place? Early humans were a people who lived many thousand years ago. They lived in caves and forests and lead a very simple life. Who was the early mans? Early mans were a people who lived 1,000 years ago. And where they lived? They lived in a forest or cave and lead a very simple life. They ate fruits and roots of tree and hunted animals. What did early human eat? They eat fruit, roots of trees and hunted animals. Early humans did not know many things that we know or do today. They did not know how to grow food, cook food and build houses, but they could think and speak. What did early human did not know? They did not know about grow food, cook food and build house, but they could think and speak. Invention of wheel. In the earlier days, there were no wheels. Early humans used to walk from place to place. People used to carry heavy load themselves or with the help of animals. In earlier days, what was not? There was no vehicle. There were no vehicles. Early humans used walk from place to place. And how they carry their load? They carry the load by themselves or with the help of animals. Look at this picture. In this picture, the early human carry their load by themselves. And in this picture, the early human carry their load with the help of animal. While living in the jungle, they saw that it is easier for heavy things to roll down mountains. Where did early humans live? They live in the jungle. What they saw? They saw it is easier to roll down the heavy things from the mountain. They also saw that it was much easier to roll down the things over rounded objects such as the log of wood rather than pull them. So early humans started using log of wood to move heavy things from place to place. What they use? They use log of wood to move the heavy things from place to place. Then early human found that logs could be cut in a circular disc to make a wheel. What is a circular disc? The things which shape in the circle or in the round. So early human found the log and cut it into the round shape and make a wheel. Look at this picture. This is a log and this is cut into a circular shape in a round shape to make a wheel. Changes were made later to the wooden disc. And that is how we got the wheel we know today. In this way, wooden disc is cut into the circular shape and got the wheel which we see today. The invention of wheel is the main discoveries of mankind because it leads the invention of many machines. What is the main discovery of mankind? Wheel. In this way, the many machines invented by the help of wheel. Color the wheels in each the following object. There are some objects. In every object there is a wheel. Look at this. There is a wheel. Also there is a wheel. There is also a wheels. There is a wheel and there is also a wheel. In every object there is a wheel to work the machine. So wheel is a main invention of mankind. By the help of this, we made many other machines. Do you know that how the fire was discovered? The early men discovered the fire. How they discovered? When the early men rubbed two stones together, sparks was produced. This is how they discovered fire. In which way the fire was discovered? By rubbing two stones together. Remember, early humans lived many thousand years ago. They lived in caves and forests. They used log of wood to move heavy things from one place to another. Later they invented the wheel, which led to the invention of many machines. New words. Early humans. Who is the early humans? People who lived many years ago. What is the circular? Round or shaped like a circle. Disc. A round flat thing. What is the wheel? A thing like a circle that turns to move something. Invention. A thing that somebody has made for first time. Mankind. All the people in the world. Machines. Things that make work easier for us. Thank you. Hello student. Today we learn the class 2nd essays, lesson number 1, early human, their lives exercises. Hard words. Thousand, simple, hunted, grow, invention, wheel, vehicles, lot, easier, mountains, rounded, circular disc, mankind, machine. MCQs. Early humans were people who lived many days of years ago. Thousands, million, months. In earlier days, there were no dash, animals, vehicles, wheel. Early humans saw that it was easier for dash things to roll down the mountain. Bricks, low, heavy. When early human rubbed two stones together, dash were produced. Light, sparks, circular disc. Early human could dash, think and speak, sing and dance, cook food. Fill in the blanks. early human lived in the dash. Where did the early human lived? Where? You have write the answer there. Early human used to dash one place to another. What did early human use to go from one place to another? It is easier to roll things over dash object. How it is easier to load the things over the objects? Logs can be cut into a circular disc to make a dash. What the things made when we cut the logs into a circular disc? The invention of dash is one of the most important discoveries. What is the main discovery of the mankind? True or false? Early humans lived in houses made up of bricks. Where did early humans live? Do you know? So, this is a true or false? The early humans live in the bricks. Early human had no vehicles. Early human used aeroplane to move from one place to another place. Do you know that what the early human used to move from one place and other place? So write the right answer there. Early humans used stone to send things from place to place. With the help of stone, early human sent the things from one place to another place. The wheel had helped in invention of other machines. By the help of wheel, the other machines invented. Answer in one word. What did early humans eat? What they eat? Do you know? Write the answer there. Where did early humans live? Early human, where did they live? What is the main discovery of mankind? How did early humans lead their life thousands of years ago? How they lead their life? How did early human discover fire? Answer the following questions. What kind of life did early humans lead? How they live their life? Write the answer in 2 or 3 lines. How did early humans invent the wheel? In which way the early human invent the wheel? How they get the idea to invent the wheels? Write the answer 2 or 3 lines. Why is the invention of wheel considered to be one of the main discoveries of mankind? Dear student, do all think these questions in your notebook as a homework. Thank you.